Hi, I'm Andy and this is my ASTRA VXR Nürburgring edition. If you like cars like this, stick around. I enjoy cars, I love cars, proper passion for me. Same with motorbikes as well. I've got a motorbike. Hopefully you guys will stick around and watch some of that. Hopefully you guys will come with me on the journey. So, like I say, this is my 2008 ASTRA VXR Nürburgring edition. Just bought it. Loving it. Absolutely loving it. I was sick to death of decent modern cars. For me, they're a little bit bland, aren't they? And for me, I just wanted something that it just sounds mint, doesn't it? I mean, it does for me anyway. It's just, I don't know. I'm so bored of like modern cars. This is a bit of me. I'm hopefully also going to be getting on some really nice road trips. I've done a few already. North Coast 500, that was sick. Yeah, go on some nice road trips, we'll get them filmed, see what happens. Big plans for this year. So hopefully, we'll not only be looking at this car, hopefully I'm going to get my hands on a few other cars and do some reviews, bits and pieces. I like to drive a bit of everything. And hopefully you'll follow me on the journey. So, if you like this sort of content, like, subscribe, let's get the show on the road, yeah?